Hey everyone, I'm Northern Explorer. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be installing a pair of security lights to the outside of my four-wheel camper. As with my previous camper, I will be installing these lights on the underside of my cab over. I'm going with a set of Diode Dynamics Stage Series 6-inch light bars. These lights are available with fog, driving, or flood optics. I'm going with the flood option as they will give me the best field of view around the campsite. I like these lights because they have a low profile, have an 8-year warranty, only draw 26.6 watts, and give off 2,280 raw lumens. Unlike some of the cheaper light bars on the market that only have one mounting point, the Stage Series light bars feature two heavy-duty stainless steel mounting brackets to ensure a rock-solid installation. I had a fairly good idea where the framing was located in the area where I needed to pass the wire through. After measuring out a location, I drilled a pilot hole. Confirming that I didn't hit the frame, I then drilled a 5/16 diameter hole to accept the wire, and then a 3/8 diameter hole just through the aluminum skin in order to mount the rubber grommet. After lifting the bed slide out of the way, I carefully marked where I needed to drill the mounting holes. I had replaced the mounting hardware with longer stainless steel machine screws and lock nuts. I chose machine screws because the rounded heads would be less likely to interfere with the bed slide out. I needed to cut the connector off in order to have as little wire as possible hanging on the outside of the camper. In doing so, I'm sure I killed my 8-year warranty. So before I go any farther, I just wanted to make sure that everything's actually working as it should be. So I just have it temporarily wired up directly to the fuse block down there. And we're gonna take a little walk outside. Oh yeah, that's working. So I have my wire coming in through the wall, down and across my top of my water tank. So I'm over to this point right now. And to feed my other wire through, I'm gonna need to take my refrigerator out. So that's gonna be my next project. I'm eventually making my way over to this area is where I'm gonna have the switches. I repeated the same mounting procedure on the driver's side and got to work on running the wire. The push button switches I'm using can be configured in several different ways. I'm wiring them to have the backlight illuminated when the floodlights are turned on. After plugging the wiring harnesses into the back of the switches, it was time to reassemble the cabinet. I put each light on its own circuit. I used a 10 amp fuse because that's what I had in stock. I will switch these out for 5 amp fuses in the future. I chose this location for the switches so I could reach them from inside or outside of the camper. That's it for this one. Like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.